Ayushmann Khurrana has made honest attempts to break free from his stereotypical image in the industry with films like Article 15 and An Action Hero. In Bollywood, where film families often have an upper hand, outsiders like Ayushmann Khurrana have brought about a revolution. He's a prominent face of this movement and I'm a big fan of these stars. Ayushmann Khurrana's dreamy debut in Vicky Donor, backed by John Abraham, set him on a path to work with esteemed directors like Shujit Sircar, Ashwini Iyer Tiwari, and Sriram Raghavan. In 2015, 3 years after his debut, the hit film Dum Laga Ke Haisha marked the beginning of Ayushmann Khurrana's era, despite initial flops like Nautanki Sala and Bewakufiyan. He eventually found his footing by portraying middle-class, small-town characters facing and overcoming social dilemmas. It was followed by the cult hit Bareli Ki Barfi, where the trio of outsiders created a piece that resonated deeply with the audience, that it felt like a stone to success for all three of them. Ayushmann Khurrana legit capitalized this success, paving the way for his best works in the form of Shubh Mangal Saavdhan, Andhadhun, Badhai Ho, Dream Girl, Vala and Dr. G. Why were these films connecting with the audience? Because these films tackled real and relatable issues. Ayushmann Khurrana became a spokesperson for the middle class people like us who are going through numerous challenges but often struggle to express themselves due to society's constant judgment and criticism. But what happened suddenly around 2020 that Ayushmann Khurrana got lost somewhere?
Before moving ahead, I want to acknowledge Meri Pyari Bindu, released in 2017. This film did not get a success at box office, but it was not the failure of the lead actors, either Ayushmann Khurrana or Parineeti Chopra. It was the fault in the storyline and the direction itself. It's just that the state of the film did not match up with the audience's mind, as a sad climax wasn't acceptable in 2017. Moving on, his films addressing important LGBTQ topics like
Shubh Mangal Saavdhan and Chandigarh Kare Aashiki failed to connect with audiences. This was possibly due to the rise of fresh content on OTT platforms during the COVID-19 pandemic. Ayushmann Khurrana might have also noticed this shift and thus attempted to diversify with An Action Hero and Anik. But I feel his strong small town persona hindered audiences' connection. The debacle of Dream Girl 2 further affected his filmography.
Post Dream Girl 2 debacle in 2023, Ayushmann Khurrana is set to star in Maddox's horror comedy universe film titled Thama. His character's metamorphosis into a Betal is central to the plot, playing the character Alok Goyal, a seemingly ordinary man whose life suddenly turns extraordinary when he gets supernatural powers. He crosses paths with the antagonist, played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, his character Yakshashan, who is a rogue Betal vampire leader. Somewhere in this, Alok becomes one of the Betals and then must navigate his new identity plus powers. The trailer was exciting. However, the buzz toned down a lot after the trailer. Slated a Diwali release, I'm just hoping that it turns out to be a turning point for both Ayushmann Khurrana as well as Nawazuddin Siddiqui. But I believe that is only possible with the word of mouth, as this film has hardly generated any buzz or created any vibe or excitement. I don't know why I will go to watch this film, whether I will go to watch this film or not, because there is no hook, no pull, and that is despite having 3 item songs starring the OG item girls Malaika Arora and Nora Fatehi. I just wish Ayushmann Khurrana best of luck for this film. Anyways, some ideas which I think will work for him.
A superhero film similar to Vikramaditya Motwani's Bhavit Joshi superhero could be an ideal fit for him. Ayushmann Khurrana's involvement could really light up the superhero genre. Another suggestion that comes to my mind, given his incredible singing talent, is a collaboration with Farhan Akhtar on a musical. Both have the eyes that speak struggle. So why not capitalize on this to showcase how two major singers can evolve as artists in their field without competing with each other. Ayushmann Khurrana is an actor worth betting on, but he needs to bet on himself and push the boundaries of mainstream Bollywood. Working with fresh, visionary directors could help break the typecast image and reignite his career.
I really believe now it's his time to put up some faith on the upcoming directors, on the people who are excellent story writers but waiting for a chance to break into the industry. I feel he can be what John Abraham was for him.
Thank you for watching.